Are you tired of watching people break the rules and get away with it? Then this one is for you. Instant Karma. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video. I'm convinced this happened due to inexperience. Didn't look to me like the kid was on the phone. He tried to pass me on the right while I'm about to pass the trailer on the right. He squeezed in way too early. Thankfully, he was fine. No more than a nosebleed due to airbag impact. Notice the Prius clearly speeding right in front of the police. The driver of the Lexus decided to ignore the traffic sign and drove straight ahead from a lane where you can only go left. He did not know that a police unit was practically behind him. Best thing I have seen in a while. The van did not make sure the maneuver was safe and cut the author off. But the story didn't end there. After a couple of miles, he decided to pick a fight. However, after using a gas spray, this desire disappeared. The Lamborghini wiggled all the way between lanes, and when it got into a traffic jam, it decided to go around it on the side of the road, but the police were already behind it. You can't see well here, but there's a police car in front of the author. The driver of the Toyota runs a red light in front of him. The owner of the Honda did not have the patience to wait for the allowed place for overtaking and decided to overtake through a solid line of markings. This driver was crazy. It looks far less frightening in a video than it felt in real life. I truly thought he was going to kill someone. Before I sped it up to clickable speeds, it transpired over about 10 minutes in real time. Most likely, the driver of the red pickup truck is drunk. As soon as he got ahead of the author a second time and started swerving down the road again, the author called 911 and corrected them on where and what was going on. 3 minutes later, the police officer was already behind the drunk driver. A Greek Kia almost caused a tragedy and then ignored the police for some time. And another typical finale of a speeding fan. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.